What's going on, guys? My name's Bill. This is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesdays, I like to bring you guys tools that I've been using in my videos or that I've been using on projects in and around the garage. You ever tried to find the center of a piece of solid round stock? Maybe you want to drill a hole directly in the center of this solid round bar. Or maybe you're working with tubing and you want to drill a hole from one side and have it come out the other. So you need to know at this point is directly across from this point. On the tubing, it's pretty easy. You can easily measure the circumference and find the center point that way. On solid round stock though, you can't really do that. There are a couple of different ways you could do it, but there's one tool that makes finding the center of a round object super simple. These are Machinist Center Finding squares, or center squares, or centering tools. Whatever you want to call them, they're known by a bunch of different names. But what these are, just a simple jig, V shape, with a bisecting piece that all you do is you take that, you lay it on your round stock, and now, I need a marker. And now, with a marker in hand, you can mark right there, and right there, and now you have two marks that you know are directly across from each other. Then you can take that mark, bring it up around the edge, same on this side, and now you know that that mark is directly across from that mark. You could run your line straight down, measure down the line, say an inch, 2 inch, whatever the case may be, mark it, drill your hole, flip it over, drill the other way. You know that those two marks, or those two holes, are going to be directly through the center, directly across from each other. When it comes to solid round stock, you can take this, lay that across there. Once you get that on, scribe a line. Then you turn it a little bit, scribe another line. Turn it a little bit more, scribe another line. Now you know where those lines intersect is the exact center of this round stock. Now you know the exact center, you could drill your hole. You know you're going to be right in the center of that round bar. Super simple tool, guys. They come in different sizes. I got two of them here. This one I think is good up to like 3-inch tube. This is a 2.5-inch exhaust tube. Works just fine. I think it's good to 3. I think this one's good up to like 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inch. No, probably about 1.5 inches, maybe a little bit more. I'm not really sure. Come in different sizes. I'll leave some links down below. Go check them out and make your life simpler when you're working with round tubing. Appreciate you for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and get back to work.